Hey folks, Logan here at Duncan's Boats, and today we're going to show you how Regal's hardtop folding tower works. So right now it's up in your typical boating view here with the hardtop, nice, plenty good shade coverage. But whether it's for storage or get out of a rainstorm, we can actually fold this down and it'll lay flat almost like a convertible or something. So we're going to come over here to this. Right now it's in the lock-up position. We're going to pull this out, just spin all the way around to reset. And same thing over here. Spin all the way around. So now, with just a finger, I can lean it on down. Now come on in here. Now that's down like that. Go ahead and just spin it. You heard a nice little click right there when we do that. Again, in the lockdown position. Now I can come over here, tower down, go ahead and lean it on down. As you can see, matches right up that there with that. Same thing in reverse to lock it on back up. Logan here at Duncan's Boats. Thanks for watching. Have fun out in the water.